Blinky, blinky.
You see the size?
Oh.
You see the size? Oh, mine's bigger.
A lot of women would be happy with this.
That's true. They'd be happier with this.
That's too big. That could hurt someone. No, this is nice and gentle.
That one's
This is a little love tap. Yeah, it's gas blowback.
CO2?
I don't. No, it's green gas.
CO2, man, is really good.
I'm borrowing it for a round.
Yeah, if you buy your own, get CO2, brother. I'm telling you.
I'm probably gonna do green gas because it's cheaper, and then HPA it because I have a what is it called? Air compressor. So
Okay.
green gas is cheaper, and you can HPA green gas or gas blowback. Oh, it doesn't work. I'm not blessed. Conquest. Sorry, get down! Someone's in there. Someone's in there. I see him too. Wait, I'm gonna go in. I got the Stendo mag. Oh, I got hit. Just grazed my shoulder. Oh. That's a hit, though. We're red, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
You scared the hell out of me.
I was trying to get into C or A.
Yeah.
I'm John Wick. Oh! Let's start going full auto. The safety selector got messed up. Huh? Yeah. Ah! I'm gonna go reel. I gotta reel. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, shit. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Okay, single fire. Dead man, dead man. Oh, dang it. Okay. Oh, was it not firing? I got